Hi, this is Yolanda Van Veen on behalf of Expert Village. In this series we're talking about square foot gardening, how to make a raised flower bed and how to separate it into 1 foot by 1 foot sections and grow plants separately that way. Once you have your box created, your 4 foot by 4 foot box, you need to separate it into 1 foot segments, and there's lots of materials that you can use. You can use wood and lattice and vinyl. And I found anything that's plastic or this vinyl edging works really well because it doesn't decompose for years and years and years. And it'll last. So when I'm using this material, I separate it into 4 foot sections. And then within those 4 foot sections, I make 3 cuts into it every 12 inches. And that way now I have 4 segments. And then I take another piece and I do the same. So then I take another section and I'm cutting it in every 12 inches. I'm just making a cut to the middle, all the way down. So every 12 inches I'm going to be making a cut about halfway down my vinyl. Once I have 2 pieces together, all I have to do is slide one over the other and lay it in my grid. And I've got a 12 inch by 12 inch section. And once we have the soil in here, we can set this right into the soil, and then it won't fall over and it'll stay very straight. In our next segment, we'll talk about how to select plants for your square foot garden.